Hey guys, so for this week, the idea that I wanted to implement was the thought of like how NBA teams have the jersey patches. Um, what if somehow you were able to emulate that in all sports? Like for example, baseball used to have a little jersey patch, football a little jersey patch, MLS they already have sponsors, but even then you could add more just to. I just think it's another way to generate revenue. Like, why would you not want to take advantage of big time companies with big time markets? So, I thought that was something to think of. But when I thought about it, though, I thought that, especially with baseball, you can run into like traditional problems because it's like technically like America's pastime. So, older teams like the iconic franchises like the Yankees with the pinstripes, I think you'd get a lot of pushback from them because they don't want to add like a jersey patch to a traditional uniform. But besides that, I think it's something to think about. It's just another way to get more exposure. If you're a big time company, more people. I mean, there's 35,000 people at every MLB game. So why would you not want 35,000 people plus everybody watching on TV every day to see your product? So yeah, that's my take for the week, and we'll be back next week.